Axis grid editing. Add axis line. This command is used to add straight or arc-shaped axis lines. Click the Add Axis Line function. Select the reference axis. Note, the reference axis line must be on the axis layer. Specify the new axis alignment point, or enter the offset distance. Enter the axis number. If there is no number, press the spacebar to complete the axis line addition. Axis line addition complete. Draw axis line. This command is used to draw a single axis line individually. Click the Draw Axis Line function. Specify the starting point and ending point of a single axis line. Enter the axis number. If there is no number, press the spacebar to complete the drawing of the single axis line. Draw center line. This command is used to generate axis lines at the center of existing wall lines or beam lines. Click the Draw Center Line function. You can press the S key to set the drawing parameters. First, specify the layers for the wall lines and beam lines. Next, select the layer for the center line, the width range for beams and walls, as well as the extension distance of the axis lines, can be entered as numbers or measured directly from the drawing. After completing the parameter settings, click OK. Select the wall lines and beam lines for which you want to generate center lines. The center axis line has been drawn. Delete axis line. This command is used to delete axis lines. Note, the axis line must be on the axis layer. Click the Delete Axis Line function. Select the axis you want to delete. The axis line has been deleted. Trim axis line. This command is used to trim axis lines. Note, the axis line must be on the axis layer. Click the Trim Axis Line function. Specify the first corner point and other corner point of the grid clipping. The axis line has been clipped. Delete duplicate axis lines. This command is used to eliminate coincident axis lines. Note, the axis line must be on the axis layer. Click the Delete Duplicate Axis Lines function. The program automatically searches for all line segments in the axis layer and prompts. Axis, layer straight line has been searched 11. Axis, layer straight line has been removed 3, left 8. The program automatically eliminates all coincident axis lines and informs you of the result. Elimination of duplicate axes completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.